Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, very good evening, and welcome to the session.
Yeah, thank
Uh,
you so much.
you,
Yeah,
how are you doing?
yeah, I'm doing well. What about you?
I am cool. Thanks for asking.
Okay.
Uh, we are meeting very first time. Let's start with introduction.
Yeah, sure. Why not? So, I want to introduce myself first. So, my name is Priyanka. I belong to Uttarakhand, but right now I live in Gurugram, Haryana. And I have done masters in finance and marketing. And recently, I qualified UGC NET exam also. I am preparing for assistant professor job. As well as I'm running a YouTube channel. Name is Speak with Priyanka Gataria, where I'm uploading these type of conversational video. Uh, Sometime with co-learners, sometime with strangers, sometime with subscribers. So I'm uploading these type of conversation. And my hobbies are reading books and talking to people. That's why I'm here. I'm talking to you. That's all about.
Mhm. Wow, that's a great introduction. And first of all, congratulations for you have cracked your UGC exam.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, and apart from that, you are, you are a YouTuber. You upload conversation video and talking to people. Apart from that, and what do you do?
Apart from these two, I am not doing anything. I'm just preparing for this time GRF, Junior Research Fellowship, because I want to do PhD, and for PhD, I want to crack that exam. So I'm preparing for that, and as well as I started teaching online students like English, spoken English only. I give them these type of conversational videos and paid classes. Yeah, apart from this, I'm not doing anything. I'm trying to uh, like join any university or college as a assistant professor. So these things.
Wow, you are so highly educated.
Yes, you can say. Okay, very nice. You are a homemaker and you are also running a YouTube channel. I can
Yeah.
relate to if a housewife is working on YouTube channel, their communication skill and they have a lot of works to do at home, and still
Yes.
they are doing. So I appreciate your work. Yeah.
Thank you. But of course, whatever you said, it's a challenging for to handle all these things brush up our communication and do something different apart from household chores, house responsibility. So it's a very challenging, and take care of two children when
Right.
two children are there, so it's very difficult to handle of them. And I am here in front of you and making conversations, but my children are outside from the room and I don't know what they are doing, but a little bit I'm thinking, but it's very challenging.
Yes. Yeah, I can understand your things. And with the two kids, it's very difficult. I appreciate your work.
I'm trying and I'm getting difficulties while speaking to someone. So whenever I sit alone, I I frame sentence properly and well. But whenever I it comes to talking to someone, so it's difficult because sometimes words doesn't come in mind, and sometimes I I I'm not capable to appropriate word will be suitable in this scenario or not. So sometimes I get difficulty, but now I now I am enjoying.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it happens. Initially, it happened with me as well. When I started learning this language, I used to fumble a lot. You can watch on my channel. I uploaded that first conversation also. That time, I was very nervous. It was my first conversation, so I was also very nervous. So, but after some time, I started having a lot of conversation in a day, and after some time, I become very confident. Now I can speak in front of anyone without fumbling. So it depends on practice, how much practice you are doing. So just focus on practice, not focus on mistakes and fumbling. Please don't focus on
Because
it. And
it's a
we are
part of learning, so it's happened with everyone.
Yes, we are living in India. There is no environment. We are good at Hindi. So after some time, we will become good at English as well because we have created our own environment. And here we have a lot of friends. With them, we can practice every day. So
Yes.
don't worry about mistakes and all. And you are doing very good in English.
Yeah. A day I was scrolling my YouTube channel, so I got your videos. So I impressed a lot. So that time I decided to talk to you.
One tell me about I watched your video and then I want to talk to you. So I feel very happy like someone is learning from my video, so I get some motivation.
Because I had seen your video, like when you are talking with what to say. Recently, I forgot her name. Try to thrive, Rajni ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's me,
yeah.
ma'am.
So I saw your video. So the way of speaking of you, both of you, are very impressive. Were very impressive. So I feel one day I will talk you and her also. So first I'll start. I will start from you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can talk with her as well. She is also very kind person, and
Yeah,
you can send mail her, and definitely she will reply and she will talk to you.
yeah. She is very generous person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next month, Raksha Bandhan uh, is is the right corner. So
Mhm.
next month. So yeah, most of Indian people like festival. So so what festival do you like most? Which festival do you like most?
Festival. I like Diwali festival and Raksha Bandhan also. These two are my favorite festival. I love both.
Okay. So so please some uh, share me your childhood memory related to festival, related to Diwali or Raksha Bandhan.
Yeah, yeah. So first, I want to share with you Diwali festival. So, yeah, when I was a kid, so that time I used to enjoy a lot on the Diwali festival. I used to burn firecracker with my brothers, and that time I lived in a village with my grandparents. They were my grandparents, my cousins, and me, my
Where is your
family.
place?
It was in Uttarakhand. It was a small village. It's still there. So now we are not living there. We are living some different place. So
Okay.
that time we used to live in a village, and it was really enjoying activity. We used to enjoy a lot. Used to decorate my house with lights and candles, and we used to decorate our trees as well, and I used to make rangoli on my gate, or I used to make rangoli like my cousin's house as well, because I was a girl that time. So in my family, there were all four girls as well, but they are not. They were not. Making They were not into making rangoli and all. They don't like these things, but I liked, so I used to make these
So
rangoli.
you used to like make rangoli. So you go went their house and start doing.
Yeah, I used to make them their houses as well, and we used to burn firecracker. I used to eat a lot of sweets that day, and we how can I say, like, it was really nice experience. But nowadays we I am living here in Gurugram. It's a city, and I got married, so I shifted here. My brother is in that place, so whenever I get chance to go my hometown, I usually go on Raksha Bandhan. So we celebrate Raksha Bandhan together. So since my childhood, I can say, I always spend time with my family on Raksha Bandhan. So it is my favorite festival, I can say. And on Raksha Bandhan, so my sister, like my cousin. I am only one girl in my family. So my cousin also come to my place, and my niece also come to my place. We celebrate very beautifully Raksha Bandhan. We click picture, we eat sweet chocolates. So these things we are doing.
So
Yeah.
you now you are married.
Yes, I'm married. It's been 2 years.
Oh, so nice, but it doesn't look like you are married.
Yes, we can say, because I'm not living with my son, my mother-in-law's place. So I am living in Gurugram, Haryana. They are living in a village because of my mother-in-law also a government employee. So because of her job, they are not living with us. So I can live as same like girls are living here. I don't like putting a lot of makeup and all. So I usually live simple as a.
Okay, okay. Okay, and okay, when you were kid, and what would excite you more during festival season,
Mhm.
like for gift and new clothes
Mm.
and and get some extra pocket money during the festivals and sweets. What would you excite more?
Okay, so that time I like now also I am I love cooking. So that time I used to make a lot of dishes. So that is the very first thing which excited me a lot. And the next thing is like my father used to give us money on the occasion of every festival. So I was at the time.
That's why I'm actually same with me. So yeah, I live here Noida, and my hometown means my in-laws' house is in Aligarh. So whenever any festival comes, so I go with my family to the Aligarh to celebrate festival. So I I feel more energetic, more happy whenever I gathered with my family members, and I enjoy a lot because here Noida, I don't feel like to celebrate festival because I am living in society, so there is I can't I don't like this place to
Mm.
celebrate any kind of festival. So because during the Diwali season, so my children my children get more days holiday, more holidays like at Diwali season. So they get 5 days holidays. So
Mm.
we get more day to live there with my family and celebrate. So first day is we say first day is Choti Diwali, then main Diwali, then Raksha wo, uh, Bhai
Govardhan
Dooj,
Puja.
Govardhan. So there are lot of days to celebrate with family, and we get chance to live them. And
Mm.
and and my husband is four brothers, and their his brothers have their family also and kids. So we are lot of member in my joint family. So it feels like I feel like we are in a marriage occasion.
Right.
Yeah, I like most Diwali, and at Diwali, in Diwali, on Diwali,
Yes.
sometimes I yeah, sometimes I humble uh,
It's
while
okay.
so on Diwali uh, I also making dishes and uh, decorate house with lighting, rangoli colors, yeah,
Right.
and worship or worship of Lord Ganesh ji and Lakshmi ji, and uh, at evening we start getting ready to celebrate, and after puja we offered gift to family members and other neighbors. It was a lovely session, and I felt very energetic with you, and yeah, we will meet again. Okay,
Yeah.
bye bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.